medals will be received by her parents. Dr. Mahmoud Nasir. She receives gold medal for securing first position in fourth prof, for securing silver medal for securing second position in the third prof. Dr. Yusra Rahim. She receives gold medal for securing first position in the second prof. Dr. Unesa Iqbal. She receives gold medal for securing first position in the first prof. Dr. Elman Razak. She receives silver medal for securing second position in the final prof. Dr. Yumna Masood. She receives silver medal for securing second position in the fourth prof. Dr. Yumna Uruj. She receives silver medal for securing second position in the second prof. Dr. Neha Nadeem. She receives silver medal for securing second position in the first prof. Dr. Ikra Faraz. She receives bronze medal in securing third position in the final prof. Dr. Sayyeda Hira. She receives bronze medal for securing third position in the fourth prof. Dr. Mubashir Iqbal. He receives bronze medal for securing third position in the third prof. Dr. Javiria Khalid. She receives bronze medal for securing third position in the second prof. The medals for the graduates of the batch BDS 2020 are awarded to Dr. Hassan Yaqub. He receives gold medal for securing first position in final prof, gold medal for first position in third prof, gold medal for first position in second prof, gold medal for first position in first prof.
कैप उतार ले
Dr. Mahi Aslam. She receives silver medal for securing second position in third prof, silver medal for second position in second prof, silver medal for second position in final prof. Dr. Harun Ali. He receives silver medal for securing second position in first prof. Dr. Madiha Rafi. She receives bronze medal for third position in final prof. Dr. Iram Naeem. She receives bronze medal for third position in third prof. Dr. Mehreen Tariq. She receives bronze medal for third position in second row.
Parents.
नो वन
अच्छा तो फिर इसके ये दे दीजिए, ये दे दीजिए।
Next.
Next.
For Dr. Lalid Tahir, she receives bronze medal for third position in first row.
Next.
The medals for the graduates of the batch MBBS 2000 receives gold medal for first position in final row.
ये है ना.
Dr. Ashir Ahmed Khan. He receives gold medal for securing first position in the fourth row, silver medal for securing second position in the third row, and bronze medal for third position in the final row. Dr. Kulatul N. She receives gold medal for securing first position in the third row, third position in the first row, bronze medal for third position in the first row. Dr. Muhammad Lukman. He receives gold medal for first position in the second row and silver medal for second position in the final row. Dr. Sayyid Muhammad Zishan Hashmi. He receives gold medal for securing first position in the first row. Dr. Tawfiq Asghar. Gold medal for first position in first row. Dr. Bakhtavar Ishtiyaq, silver medal for second position in fourth row. Dr. Muhammad Ramiz Khan, silver medal for second position in third row. Dr. Nabiha Parvez, silver medal for second position in second row.
आगे जाओ
Dr. Saniha Sana, silver medal for second position in first row. Dr. Iman Ali,
उस्मा
सिल्वर ही है ना.
Dr. Iman Ali, she receives bronze medal for third position in fourth row.
उनको पता ही नहीं.
अभी तो यहाँ पे खड़े हुए जो भी जिनका नाम ले रहे हैं
Dr. Sara Ahmed Khan,
ये है सारा, वो भी चली
मैं
जाए।
हूँ.
bronze medal for third position in third row. Dr. Hira Ashfaq, bronze medal for third position in second row. Dr. Kainat Khalid, bronze medal for third position in second row.
सीक्वेंस क्यों नहीं फॉलो हो रहा? ये
Dr. Tayyiba Ahmed,
बहुत तेज पड़ रही है यार, सारा सीक्वेंस खराब हो गया।
Dr. Tayyiba Ahmed for a bronze medal for third position in first row. The medals for the graduates of the batch BDS 2021.
BDS के कौन से? आप सबसे पहले
Yes.
BDS में?
बेटा बीडीएस कहाँ से
ये
स्टार्ट है आपसे
अभी थर्ड में। BDS का।
Now I request Dr. Naila for the further continuation of proceedings.
Thank you so much. I request our distinguished guests to please remain on the stage for a while and let us honor you with awarding you with crests and college shields. The first college crest is going to be presented to Mr. Muhammad Kamran Khan Hussaini. I request the respected administrator Raji Dr. Sayyid Saifur Rahman,
Gold medal for first position in final row. Bronze medal for third position in first row. bronze medal for third position in third prof.
Okay, no? बच्चे भी
Cheers करनी है.
what do they want?
Okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate
अनाउंस कर देना नाम गिर जाएगा आप लोग थोड़ा साइड हो जाए आप मुझे दे दें मैं
and Chairman Dr. Sayyid Saifur Rahman. I request the
देखते हैं नाम किसका आ रहा है MC
हमने तो अलाइन करके सीक्वेंस रखा
हाँ
था.
जैसे वो नाम बोली
Professor Dr. Nadi Sanju. She will be awarded College Quest by the Honorable Chairperson Convocation, Professor Dr. Farida Islam. The crest will
वहाँ पकड़ के काम करेंगे.
The next prize goes to Co-Chairman Convocation, Professor Dr. Kaisar Jamal. Rahman. Nasir Khan will receive the college crest. I also request the Joint Secretary Convocation, Professor Sayyid Shiraz Hussain to receive the crest from the Honorable Governor of Sindh. I now request the members of the steering committee to please receive the awards from the Honorable Governor of Sindh, Dr. Nadeem Asif,
you know
लाइव है
आगे नहीं
लाइव लाइव
वो आ रहे हैं आप आगे जाइए
Dr. Nader Ali Khan,
यही कह रहा हूँ.
ये किसकी
Professor Ashraf Ayub,
डायरेक्टर बाबा देख लीजिएगा
आ गया
आ गए
डॉक्टर अशरफ
ये इनके नाम
अशरफ डॉक्टर अशरफ अयूब.
Professor Khalid Ashrafi,
खालिद अशरफ.
Dr. Sirajul Haq Tariq, and Professor Fazal Jafri.
खालिद अशरफ भी है ना उसके बाद ये है सिराजुल हक
सर 11 साढ़े स्टक.
I request the distinguished guests to please take their seats, and I would like to invite the Honorable Governor of Sindh for his speech.
None other than the Honorable Governor of Sindh, Mr. Mohammad Kamran Khan Kisori, is kind considerate and always
University of Karachi 2020. I invite her parents on the stage. Please receive the medals on her behalf. A huge round of applause to our outstanding valedictorian, Dr. Asha Yakub. She has secured first position in final professional, first position in third professional, second position in second professional, and third position in first professional. She has 14 distinctions in the subjects of anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, forensic medicine, pharmacology, pathology, ophthalmology, medicine, surgery, pediatrics, gynecology, and obstetrics. Our next valedictorian, the Pride of our Institute, is Dr. Hassan Yaqub, our BS Batch 2020.
गवर्नर साहब की स्पीच यहाँ करानी है
Uh,
गवर्नर साहब की स्पीच यहाँ करानी है क्या यहाँ करानी है साइड से साइड हुआ है हाँ जी जी जी
He has secured first position in first professional, first position, second professional, first position in third professional, and first position in final professional. He has secured 13 distinctions in the subjects of anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, dental material, oral anatomy,
अनाउंस कर रहे हैं वो कहाँ है
pharmacology,
नहीं वो तो चला गया उसकी डिस्टिंक्शन बता रहे हैं अब फिर सेकंड आएंगे उनके पास
oral medicine,
एक एक के पास होगी सारी ये क्या करें इतनी लंबी लिस्ट पड़ी है
operative dentistry, and orthodontics. Ladies and gentlemen, another grateful moment to announce for the valedictorian of the year 2021 who will receive the gold medals. Put your hands together for the superb brilliant valedictorian, Dr. Ashir Ahmed Khan, of Batch 2020. Oscar Brown.